You know, it's one of the most mysterious and powerful forces in our entire universe. It shapes everything from the tiniest atoms to the very planet we live on. And yet, it's completely invisible. So today, we're going to pull back the curtain and demystify the incredible power of magnetism. All right, just so you know, this is part 16 of our deep dive into physics. Today, we are zeroing in on the absolutely fascinating world of magnetism. So, let's just jump right in. Seriously, think about it. You've done this a million times, right? You stick a magnet to your fridge and it just stays there, completely defying gravity. So what is that invisible force? How does it actually work? Well, that simple little question, it opens up a massive world of physics. Okay, so let's actually break down what's going on with this invisible force. I know it kind of feels like magic, but I promise you it's pure fundamental physics. So what is it, really? Well, at its core, magnetism is a fundamental force of nature, just like gravity. And its main job is to either attract, pull things closer, or repel, to push them away. But here's the thing, it doesn't work on everything. It's kind of picky, having a special thing for materials like iron, nickel, and cobalt. And this is where it gets really, really cool. Magnetism doesn't even have to touch something to have an effect. It literally acts at a distance, projecting its influence out into the space around it in every direction. We have a name for that area of influence. It's called a magnetic field. Honestly, the best way to think about it is like an invisible bubble or a force field that surrounds every single magnet. If something magnetic comes inside that bubble, it's going to feel that push or pull. It's like the playing field where all the rules of magnetism apply. But here's the great part. This invisible force isn't chaotic or random at all. Nope. It follows a really simple and, believe it or not, predictable set of rules. And once you know them, you can figure out exactly how any two magnets are going to behave. Okay, rule number 1, the absolute fundamental principle. You can't have a magnet with just one pole. It's impossible. Every single magnet, I don't care how big or small, has two different ends, a north pole and a south pole. And these two poles? They give us the two simple golden rules of magnetism. You've heard this one, opposites attract. A north pole will always be drawn to a south pole. And the flip side is just as true, likes repel. If you've ever tried to force two magnets together and felt them literally push back with all their might, yeah, that's what's happening. Two norths or two souths pushing each other away. That's it. It's that simple. Now, you might be thinking, okay, cool, opposites attract. But these simple rules, they're not just a fun little physics fact. They are the foundation for technologies that have completely changed our world. I mean, completely. Let's take a look. We're going to look at 3 massive examples. First up, how magnetism helps us figure out where we are on the planet. Then we'll see how it lets doctors look right inside the human body. And finally, get this, how it's the powerhouse behind almost all of modern industry. Okay, so let's start with navigation. That simple little needle and a compass, it's actually a tiny magnet. And what it does is pretty amazing. It lines itself up perfectly with the Earth's own gigantic magnetic field, always pointing north. I mean, this super simple, super reliable principle is what guided explorers across oceans for centuries. Now for medicine. Magnetism gives us superpowers, basically. It lets us see right inside the human body. You've heard of MRI machines, right? They use incredibly powerful magnetic fields to create these stunningly detailed pictures of our organs and tissues. And the absolute best part? It does all of this without using any harmful radiation like you'd get from an X-ray. It's a game changer. And last but not least, let's talk about the real workhorses of our modern world, motors and generators. Think of them as two sides of the exact same magnetic coin. An electric motor, like in your fan or in an electric car, uses magnetism to turn electricity into motion. And a generator, it does the exact opposite. It takes motion and uses magnetism to create electricity. It's this beautiful, powerful, perfectly balanced system. Okay, and if you think all that was incredible, just zoom out for a second. Our entire planet, Earth itself, is one giant magnet. Seriously. The magnetic field it creates is generated by the churning molten iron core deep inside our planet. And that field stretches way out into space, acting like a planetary force field, an invisible shield that protects every living thing from a constant storm of dangerous radiation blasting from the sun. Without it, life as we know it just couldn't exist here. It's that important. So there you have it.
From a tiny compass in your hand all the way up to the invisible shield protecting our entire planet, magnetism is this incredible, powerful, and totally unseen force that literally shapes our reality. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other amazing, unseen principles are out there, just hiding in plain sight?